Hey everyone, I got my June 2016 PostStitch box subscription in the mail today. So let's see. Oh, that fell out of the bag. Let's see what I got in it. Is that it? Oh, of course, my receipt. Okay, let's have a look at the pattern. Kind of zoom in. Oh, those are beautiful socks. Very pretty. And it's already in, there's a couple pages to it, and it's already in a sleeve. That's really nice. Of course, I got my project bag, and inside my project bag, ooh, this is very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. Circus Tonic handmade Australian yarn. Ravelry sock fingering 4-ply, 80% Australian superwash merino, 20% nylon, 409 yards. It's rose crown fruit dove. Rose crown fruit dove. And then we got, they've got an Etsy page where they sell their yarn, which of course there'll be a direct link in the description below. That is beautiful and it feels really nice. We got our card. It goes over the fiber and the extra sock. Oh, did I say sock roller? It did. I'll show you the coupons and stuff. Oh, I'm very excited. Sock roller. Okay, this is a purchase I've really been wanting to make lately, but I didn't know. I didn't really know how big they were or the quality, and it was just one of those things that's like, do I really spend that much money on something like that when I can just use a regular tape measure? But this is awesome. Okay, and it's made out of like a plastic, and it's from sockruler.com. Patent pending. So this is really cool. It's very basic, just like it says. You work your sock, have your toe done, or if you're measuring your cuff, you can, it's got 5, 10, measured by, it's got your inches and everything on there. But you just basically put that down in the sock and you can measure without really messing up anything. That's really, really cool. Here's some pictures. Yay! Oh, and it's got some tips here too. It has to have a whole, okay. Here's the information, which I'll kind of slowly move that, so if you want to read with it, you can. For cuff down knitting, it tells you what to do. For toe up, it tells you what to do. And what's it say down here at the bottom? Oh, saying that they use that pattern with the permission. That is really cool. So this, very excited about. Absolutely beautiful yarn. I got a cool pattern, already came in the sleeve, which, okay, I'm very happy with this month's PostStitch box. And I'm also very, very sad because I'm probably going to have to postpone my PostStitch box for a couple months and then pick it back up. But it is probably one of my, it's one of my favorite subscriptions that I get every month. It's also the most expensive one I get every month. But I always get just like this. Like, this is something really cool that I've been wanting anyway. This is beautiful yarn. The pattern's all printed out. So it's really, I really like the effort and the quality that they put into their shipments every month. Really, that's all I've got for you guys with this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comments section below. Or you can email me. My email's in the description below. But thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.